Welcome back to another episode of Zachthefisherman. We're fishing for sturgeon. I've already caught a nice little sucker fish that's going to be cut bait for later. We're doing an overnighter. How many fish we can catch, see whatever we catch, because the sturgeon rig catches everything. I'm going to go over how to set up a sturgeon rig, types of weights you should use, and my girlfriend's here, so stay tuned. Show you how I rig up my slip rigs. I get a snap swivel, put that on my main line, a couple beads, and a swivel. I tie on a piece of nylon line, which is basically just tip-up line. Do about 18 to 24 inches. The longer the better in my opinion. And on the end of the nylon leader, I tie on a size 5 octopus hook. Then I attach a pyramid weight, 3 to 6 ounces, just depends on the flow of the river and how much play you want. And that's just a sturgeon rig. Let's get out there. Here comes a fish right about now. Yeah, that's a fish on. There's a fish on there. Yeah. But it's a walleye. No, is that a sauger? Oh, it's gone. First fish, first bite. Worms. Back out there right away. That sucks, I lost that fish. So we've been fishing for a few hours. We caught that one sauger, walleye, whatever, it's gone and down the river. We're gonna head back and have some dinner, set up camp for the night, and we're gonna just continue fishing. Walked over to the truck, got in, started her up, and parked right next to the river. It was a great place to camp out for the night. While Paige cooked dinner, I made a quick fire pit. I hate everything. Physically, I'm okay. Mentally, I wanted this rock. Gotta say, that's one nice looking campfire. While I did that, dinner was coming around nicely. We had potatoes and pulled chicken sandwiches. They were tasty. Watched the sunset. No fish were caught during this time until this happened right here.
I'm stuck. Yeah. Where am I going? Ow! I fell through. Ow! That's where I fell. I don't think there's anything there.
I don't think there is either.
A giant stick.
All that work for a stick. Should I do like drama music for this?
I fell in twice.
The next morning. Started our day off right with some breakfast burritos. I gotta thank Paige. I wouldn't have eaten this good if it weren't for her. She did all the cooking. I probably would have just starved and just headed off to the water, but we got on the water soon enough, and I got the first catch of the day. A little garter snake. They were all over the hillside we were fishing on. Yeah. First catch of the day. Okay, go free. Prize for me annoying him. I fed him a minnow. And then the show began. Paige caught her first fish.
Oh, I don't think I got it. Yeah, I did. Do I? What is it?
Paige is finally hooked up. It's a sucker.
Did I lose him?
No, you got him. He's still there. Okay, easy, easy, easy. You did it. Look at you go. There you are, hon. You want to hold him? There you are, hon. Your first sucker fish. You happy with him? Told you something was toying with it.
I did that all by myself. Can I just throw him?
If you want.
He's bleeding.
Yeah, it's from his lips. Look at him. He's swimming.
Bye.
Oh, he's coming back. Oh, he's gone. Good job, hun. Finally, a fish this morning.
I did it, Macy. I did it.
I think that took us 24 hours to catch our next fish, besides the one that I lost. You got mud on your face. Let's see if we can get the next one. Or maybe it's just gonna be one of those days. Slow, slow, slow. Oh, she's got a fish on. She's got a fish on. I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. She's got a fish on her rod and she's at the truck getting the dog water. Sorry, Paige. Yeah, it's a fish. There's a fish! Another sucker. Here, do you want to hold this?
Yep.
Oh, there we go. I touched the leader. It counts. Does that count?
Yeah, I think it counts.
I think it counts, yeah.
Good job.
Okay, awesome.
We have no luck getting your fish in.
No. Sucker gang.
Well, we're having better luck already.
Yeah, hopefully it's on. Hopefully we can catch another right about now.
I don't think so.
It's coming straight in. No, he's on. No. Oh yeah, he's on. He's on. Oh, big sucker. Good, 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 good. Sucker Slayer. That's you.
I did it again. Oh my goodness. Can I catch anything else?
Sucker Master 6000. It's because you have worms on.
Where's
my phone?
I don't know.
You're good. You got this. So graceful. You're out fishing me today. Thanks for rubbing all the chips off my face. We're still fishing, but we're gonna pack up here in about 10 minutes or so. A lot better day than yesterday. Very little walleye was caught. Surprised we didn't catch a burbot. There's usually a lot of burbot in this hole. Do you have any more fun facts about sturgeon?
They get big.
You heard it from her. Fun fact, sturgeon get big. It's pretty sick. Thanks for liking and subscribing and commenting and doing all that fun stuff. See you guys on the next video where Justin is going to get slayed in a tiger trout tournament. Peace.